Good morning, students. In the last class, we have started 17th chapter, Forests Our Lifeline. In that, we have learnt what is forest, what is deforestation, why should we object deforestation. Forest is large wild area that contain or that has large number of plants, trees, animals and birds are present in it. Right? With a large number of plants and animals. Right. What is deforestation? Removal of forest area. Removal of a part or complete forest area is known as deforestation. Should we accept deforestation or should we object deforestation? We have to object deforestation. Why? Because forests act as or serve as green lungs and water purifying systems in our nature. We should object forests serve as green lungs and water purifying systems in nature. So we have to object deforestation. Why forests are called green lungs? Lungs provide us oxygen. In the same way, what do forests contain? Forests contain plants which are green in color, and these plants, green plants, they produce oxygen by their photosynthesis. So plants, by having plants, forests provide us oxygen to us. So forests are called green lungs. Why forests are called green lungs? By having green plants, forests provide us oxygen. So forests are called green lungs. And why forests are called water purifying systems? Because forests control the flood and protect the soil from erosion. And as soil is protected from erosion, it will not mix with the natural freshwater bodies. So water remain fresh or purified. So only forests are called natural water purifying systems. Forests control the floods and prevent soil erosion. So, soil does not mix with freshwater bodies and remain fresh or unspoiled. And water remain fresh or unspoiled. So, forests are called natural water purifying systems. Tree tops. What is that? Tree tops. They form green cover in forests. Form green cover. What the tree top form? Tree tops, what do they form? Green cover in forests. Right? As tree tops form green cover in the forest, if we go to some height area or elevated area in the forest and try to see the land, we cannot see any land, right? And forests, as they are occupied with large number of trees, cool breezes come from the forests. Cool breezes come from forests, as the forests are occupied with a large number of trees. Forests provide home for many animals and plants. Forests provide home for many plants and animals. Forests provide home for many animals and plants. Right? Example for several plants: neem, sal, teak, shisham, semal, amla, bamboo, kachar, etc. Many animals and birds live in forests, like boar, bison, jackal, porcupine, elephant. Okay, like that. Humans and children should not go deeper areas of forests. Why? Because in the deeper areas of forests, little harmful animals like boar, bison, jackals, porcupine, elephants, they are present in the deeper areas of forests. We should not go to deeper areas of forests. Why? Why should we not go into deeper areas of forests? We should not go into deeper areas of forests because boar, bison, jackals, porcupine, elephant like animals live in deeper areas of forests. Boar, bison, jackals, porcupine, elephant like animals live in deeper areas of forests. So we should not go into deeper areas of forests. Right? In forests, many shrubs, herbs, and grasses also are present. And the forest floor and trees is covered with many types of creepers and climbers respectively. In class 6th, we have learnt about different types of plants like herbs, shrubs, trees, okay, grasses, creepers, and climbers. These are different types of plants that we have learned. In forests, all types of plants are present: herbs, shrubs, trees, grasses. The forest floor means the downland area, is occupied by creepers. And trees they are covered with climbers. Forest floor is covered or occupied by creepers, and trees are covered by many different types of climbers. And the trees cover thickly over the forest. So, inside the forest, it appears quite dark. Inside the forests, it appear quite dark because trees cover thickly over the forests. Trees cover thickly over the forests. So here what all we have learnt? Different types of plants present in the forests are herbs, shrubs, trees, grasses, creepers and climbers. What covers the forest floor? Creepers cover the forest floor. What covers the trees? Climbers cover the trees. Why inside the forests it appear quite dark? Because trees cover thickly over the forests. So inside the forest it appears quite dark. We get so many useful things from forests for our home needs, and many things in our home are made using the materials from forests like plywood, fuel wood, boxes, paper, matchsticks and furniture. All these things we just get them made using the materials from forests. Not only these things, gums, oils, spices, fodder for animals, medicinal plants, all these things also we get from forests. There is one table in 17.1 table, and you need to fill that table based on the products that we get from forests. So we get so many useful things. We get so many useful things for our home. And many things present in our home are made from the materials of forests, like plywood, fuel wood, boxes, paper, matchsticks, and furniture. So all these things we get them made using the materials from forests. Not only these things, we will get gums, oils, spices, fodder for animals, and medicinal plants. These things also are obtained from forests. So there is a table 17.1. You need to fill the gum giving plants, timber giving plants, medicinal plants, oil giving plants, different plants. Right? Let us just see. Gums are available from plants like babul, khair, kullu, dhaura, palas, semal, lendia, neem. So these are the plants from which we get gums. So if a plant is providing a particular product, don't think that it will provide only that product. It may provide other products also. So from the same plant, we may get different products. So in our list, gum yielding plants, whatever the plants that are coming, they may come in timber yielding plants also. Let us see if any of them. Timber means the wood that is used for our furniture is known as timber. The most notable plant is teak, sagwan. Next, shisham. These are the mostly used timber plants. Arjun plant. Next, sal. Next, Indian almond. Next, harir. Next, deodar, ironwood. These are various timber yielding plants. Teak and shisham, most notable plants. Deodar also. Right? These are the most notable plants that give us timber. Medicinal plants. There are various medicinal plants from the forests. Medicinal plants. Neem, aloe, cinnamon, lavender, gooseberry, nettle, spruce, willow. All these are medicinal plants. Next, oil yielding plants. Sandalwood, very important plant. Nilgiri, neem. These are the most notable plants for their oil yielding property. We know that in forest large number of plants are there. Then who might have planted trees in the forests? In nature, already existing trees, they produce enough number of seeds. The forest floor, it provides favorable conditions for all these seeds to germinate and develop into seedlings. Later, they form the large number of trees. In nature, already existing trees produce enough seeds, and forest floor provides favorable conditions to germinate these seeds and develop into seedlings. Okay. Already existing plants or trees produce produce enough number of seeds. Forest floor provides favorable conditions for the germination of these seeds, and development of seedlings. This is how in the forests large number of trees are present. In the forests, a roof cover-like structure is formed. The roof cover-like structure of the forests is formed by the branches of the tall trees. This roof cover that is formed by the branches of the tall trees is known as canopy. What is canopy? Canopy is the roof cover of the forests. What is canopy? Roof cover of the forests. How is it formed? Formed by the branches of tall trees. So what is canopy? Canopy is the roof cover, natural roof cover of the forests, which is formed by the branches of tall trees.